Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now.
Specifically, guys, we'll be demonstrating on a 2012 Ford F-150, that generation, but even if you have a different year, the video may be helpful. When you open the hood on your F-150, right above the radiator, you're going to find that fuse box. When you open it, you will see that layout right here. You have the relays here, those are fuses. Those are some special fuses and relays that at the parts store can be really expensive, so we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price and quick shipping. But before we show you guys which fuse you need to check, let me explain why it's super important to test fuses, because I've seen people wasting their money and time.
So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out.
So guys, which fuse we need to check? If you come in this row of squared fuses right here, we are going to talk about fuse number 48. 48, guys, will be that second 20 amp fuse right here. That fuse is the one that you need to check. 1, 2, that 48 fuse right here in the fuse box under the hood. Now we have another fuse box that's actually located on the passenger side footwell by the kick panel there, right under the glove box. You can see those will be your fuses here, guys. And the fuse specifically that we will need to check now, that's responsible for the sunroof as well, guys. And if you come in that 1, 2, 3, that third row from left to right, and you start down 1, 2, 3, that third fuse known as fuse number 32, it's a 15 amp fuse, that's the one for the sunroof as well. You need to check that fuse too, guys.
Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.